Just a little bit about the history, sort of where Intacct resides within the Sage ecosystem. We have Timberline, which I think a lot of you still refer to Sage 300 CRE as. I know we do. Timberline and Sage 100 Contractor are still products that Sage fully plans to support. But the acquisition of Intacct from Sage 4 years ago was very strategic. And the primary sort of market that there was a large opportunity for with Sage was the construction industry, which Sage is the largest provider of construction accounting software in North America. And their offerings currently, you have the ability within Sage 100 and Sage 300 to operate in a on-premise environment, which I know a lot of you currently have, which means you have your servers located at your office, and they're supported and maintained by yourself or a partner that you're using to manage those. They also have this hybrid environment, which allows you to find a partner like a Swissnet and host your Sage 300 applications in another offsite environment. Sage Intacct is a bit different. Sage Intacct is a fully multi-entity cloud accounting package. And what that means is, it's available on any browser, any device. It's available wherever you have internet access. And that also means there's no maintenance. There's no cost for upgrades from one version to the next. And Sage is actually able to roll out pretty significant enhancements to the product on a quarterly basis. Meaning, instead of the every, maybe 3 years, you're getting a major release from Sage on Sage 300, you're getting a quarterly release of pretty significant technology and enhancements within Sage Intacct quarterly. And the rate at which the product is being developed and enhanced has direct impact to those companies that have chose to adopt it. A few other things about Sage Intacct for those of you who are sort of new to it that I should point out. Sage Intacct is actually the only software package that hasn't been endorsed by the AICPA. So I'm just going to pause there for a second. That endorsement, that's across any software package out there. And this is a significant endorsement. And Eric, when he gets into the demo, will articulate some of the areas of why the AICPA gave this endorsement of the product. Likewise, there's, from a consumer perspective, G2 Crowd is sort of a consumer reports, if you will, for business software. It has been the #1 rated accounting package, cloud accounting system in the mid-market for years. And this is sort of a testament to the usability and enhancements that Sage is making within the product. And then, likewise, from an analyst perspective that looks across all of the ERP systems, Sage Intacct's been recognized as a visionary from Gartner, which, further enhances its credibility of being one of the leaders within the market of cloud accounting software.